Well, hey guys, I am back. I apologize, I never did a follow-up video on my interior, but I figured I'd go ahead and show that today. Show all the work that we got done. Also did a little bit of stuff under the hood that I think came out really well. On top of it all, I got to spend last weekend on the drag strip at the Houston Raceway. That was quite a bit of fun. I wish I had a little bit faster car, but hey, you know, I still had a blast. Pay 40 bucks, get in, run all day. Never better. So yeah, take a look. Well, here it is. The job is done. Hydro dipped. Got the red. Dipped with a black splash pattern. Also was able to get the seat inserts on the Recaros. Might be a little hard to tell. I stupidly forgot my SD card for my camera, so I'm having to record this on my phone. Way to go, me. But nonetheless, I am very happy with the result. Came out looking great. Definitely attracts a lot of attention. And yeah, I like it. I had the same pattern under the hood for a while, but decided to try to go more of a subtle approach. So this is what we've done under the hood. So not only do we do hydro dipping, but we do custom painting and color matching. Hard to tell with the way the sun's hitting, but this is color matched race red, just like the color of my car. And yeah, it came out great. We've since then done several projects for other people as well, and couldn't be more happy with it. That definitely turns a lot of heads.
On the drag strip in the water box.
My first time at the drag strip, I have literally no idea what I'm doing.
All right, green tickets. The 1310 to the 1342 in the left lane.
Again, have no idea what I'm doing. Guess I'll find out what I got. Seemed like it went fairly well. .02 at 111. Not bad for my first time, I don't guess. Car's capable of 12.8, but we'll see. Alright, this one should be interesting. It looks like I am racing a Challenger Hellcat. I am ready to get my tail end handed to me. Last pass so far was a 12.94. It's definitely an improvement over the 1302 as my first pass. Hopefully I'm getting better. We shall see. this another shot. See what happens. Don't worry, it's in the car. No, the battery was dying. I had to plug it in.
Mustang. Challenger left, Mustang right. 1177, 121 for the Challenger. 1326, 108. Just to give you guys somewhat of an idea of what the juniors run compared to that. The Challenger in the left lane ran 771, 777 with a 1. That's about what a junior runs. And the Mustang on the right ran 860, which is about what a 10-year-old runs in a junior dragster.
Alright, I think I'm done. That was like a 12.83 or something like that. Times are getting worse, and I'm just beating the crap out of my car, so I think I'm going to go ahead and call this one a night. I think I'll quit while I'm ahead, so to speak. Alright, so I have been called out by a Subaru who has been seeming to have run about the same as my best time so far. So I have a feeling I'm about to get beat, but it's all good. In it for the fun, that's all. Reaction time sucked, but we'll see who had a better time. Not really sure what happened with it, but I think ultimately our times should still be accurate, even though I came out way ahead on the actual finish. I was wondering what happened.
Yeah, man, that sucks, man. Oh, well.
Yeah, 13. Well,
13?
yeah, you got 13.1.
Mine says 13.1, actually.
That's what I'm saying. You got 13.1.
Oh, so what did you get?
The 12.73.
You got the 12.7. Okay, that makes sense. All right.
Yeah. You want to run again? Yeah, I don't blame you. Let's try it. All right, we're gonna give it another shot. He had an issue at the launch, so we're just gonna roll through it one more time.
Going left leg.
So yeah, I had a blast at the drag strip. Probably got to spend about 6 or 7 hours out there. I think I did somewhere around 13 or so runs. Best time was 12.69. It's not great, but for my first time out there in a practically stock car, I'm pretty happy with it. I might do some more performance mods later, see if I can get that time a little bit lower, but for now I'm just going to work on getting my launches down and improving my reaction time, which really was terrible. But I'm looking forward to the next time I head out there.